Rappello! Have a smile on your face while you're doing this, okay? Okay, don't look like you're so nervous, okay? Are you contemplating your navel?
What?
Contemplating your navel, belly button. Alright. There you go, buddy. Good job. That rope's it's a little slipperier, huh?
Got one thing.
The starter? Oh. Oh, I should have warned you there. You could have died. You would have had to call a lot of sick leave. Oh man, you got it stretched out now. Woo! Spread your legs! Pap smear! Fast, smile, James! Look up here and smile a little bit! Okay, there you go! And go down! At the same time!